The dusty air of San Miguel de Allende shimmered as the architects from PPAA and Alfonso de la Concha Rojas first surveyed the plot. Casa La Quinta, envisioned as a weekend retreat, wasn't to impose, but to harmonize. The existing, sun-baked walls of neighboring structures, ancient guardians of the town's history, whispered tales of time and tradition. Rather than challenge their silent authority, the design embraced them, transforming these pre-existing boundaries into the very definition of the house's footprint. The architects saw not limitations, but a canvas, the empty space between the walls, a void waiting to be filled with life and light. This respect for the built context became the cornerstone of their design, a quiet reverence for the spirit of the place. The ground floor plan emerged organically from this concept, a fluid, undivided social space that flowed seamlessly into the outdoor environment. There were no rigid demarcations, no abrupt transitions, only a continuous, breathable expanse. Knowing that the landscape views were restricted by the surrounding structures, the architects turned their attention inwards, crafting a sanctuary of internal vistas. 3 distinct patios, or void spaces, were carved into the plan, each a carefully curated microcosm of experience. These weren't mere afterthoughts, but pivotal elements, each possessing its own unique character and purpose, designed to manipulate perception and enhance the dwelling's ambience. One patio, a sun-drenched haven, became a vibrant extension of the living area, a space for shared meals and convivial gatherings. Another, shrouded in dappled shade, offered a tranquil retreat, a place for quiet contemplation and respite from the midday heat. The third, a secluded courtyard, became a private oasis, a space for solitary reflection and intimate moments. These voids, strategically placed, fractured the perceived scale of the house, creating a sense of both intimacy and expansiveness. The interplay of light and shadow, intensified by the patio's recessed nature, transformed the house into a living sundial, a dynamic space where the passage of time was marked by the shifting patterns of illumination. The result was a home that transcended its physical boundaries, becoming an immersive experience of light, shadow, and silence. Casa La Quinta wasn't just a weekend house, it was a carefully orchestrated symphony of spatial experiences, a testament to the power of thoughtful design to transform limitations into opportunities. The ancient walls, once perceived as constraints, became integral elements of the house's identity, framing the internal voids and shaping the residents' perception of space. The home stood as a quiet affirmation of the architect's respect for the site's history, a place where the past and present converged in a harmonious dialogue of form and function. And so, Casa La Quinta stands, not as a bold statement against its surroundings, but as a gentle whisper within them. It's a testament to the power of thoughtful design, a reminder that true beauty often lies in respecting the existing fabric of a place. By embracing limitations and turning them into opportunities, PPAA and Alfonso de la Concha Rojas have crafted a sanctuary of light, shadow, and silence, a space where the soul can truly find respite. If you've enjoyed this exploration of architectural harmony, please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovering the extraordinary in the everyday. Until next time, keep looking, keep exploring, and keep finding beauty in the spaces around you.